Dr. Kawaya. This is a Zipper Elastics 1725 arch wire, and I want to do a banding on it. Sometimes we need to have a banding on the elastics wire, so you can use this heat machine. So it's a heating machine, soldering machine, and spot welding. So it has a three function: welding, heating, and you have two pliers attached to it to help you to do a banding on the night eye. So I put the two pliers there, I band it at the desired place, and then I push on my foot control, the heater. Okay, and look, I got vertical spot there. Now let's say I want to use U there, and I go to the molar. So I go there and I make another band. Now I should make it this way, 90 degree, and I go with the heater. Good, you see? So I got this. Now I can go back to the molar, let's say. The molar is here. So I want you to check when this is a triangle here, this should be round. So I go there and I go 90 degree down. You see? And now I go back to my molar. This will help you in some case of biomechanic where you want to have a special. Then you have the characteristic of the night eye wire, and still having the U or the banding here by using these two pliers. Now this is a stainless steel wire. Sometimes after the use of the stainless steel wire, we put, like, let's say I want to put here a new or yes, I make turn here, I go down. And after I make this, let's say I want to have it permanent, so I can put a heat treatment on it. How I can put the heat treatment on it? I can just putting it between these two arms, you see, here and here. And then I can push start, but I have to go to the mode of temperature, yes, temperature. And start. Okay. Okay, now it's hot. Yes. And now it has a heat treatment. It has a heat treatment. And the same wire I can use as a spot welding to another wire or to the band by using here this. So if I put this here, I can weld something on it to the band, let's say if there is a band, and I push the spot. No, I should change the mode to the spot welding. Okay. That's done. So you see now I have the welding spot, it's done by using this. I have the heat treatment is done by using this, and I have the plier preforming to change and make the change or the band on the night eye wire. Thank you. This is Dr. Kawaya. from Texas. Have a good day.